So we've just had the Windows 11 live event where they unveiled Windows 11. Now a lot of people are asking when are they going to be able to get Windows 11, and if I just go ahead and go to the Microsoft website, so microsoft.com, now some people are saying that it's going to be released next week. Some people are saying it's going to be released today or in October. But if you go ahead and go to learn more underneath where it says Windows 11, and then you scroll down all the way to the frequently asked questions, it says here, when will I be able to upgrade to Windows 11? If you click on that, it says here, we expect it to be ready sometime in early 2022, but knowing this and knowing the history, it's probably going to be released a bit earlier than that, sometime in like November or so, but they will have beta users getting access to Windows 11. So if you have a current Windows 10 PC and you meet the minimum requirements, you will be able to upgrade to Windows 11 for free. And my guess will be sometime before the end of 2020 or the beginning of 2022, with some beta rollouts in between that starting pretty soon. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below so you don't miss any more videos like this. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.